There, ever wonder what's in your water? Let's go back to where it all started. So, this is where it all began. As you know, everything that goes inside you will eventually come out one way or another. We use water in our everyday lives, such as swimming, washing the dishes, boiling water, and everyday other uses. Back to the real point. What's really in our water? These are some of the many things we find in our everyday used water. Why is this a problem? Because of combined sewers. Combined sewers use the same pipe to mix both sewage water and storm water, which is a huge problem and has been since 2001. Oh my god, where's my remote? Hey, maybe this works. Hey, it does! Wait, who are you? That doesn't really matter. Do you know anything about how polluted our water is because of sewage? No? Okay, then let me teach you something.
Where'd Rubaina go? Hey, she left her remote. Maybe I can try using it. It worked.
I see you found my remote. I thought you had some questions for me.
Yeah. How does sewage affect our environment?
Wow, sewage actually affects us in many ways. First, let's start with marine life. Contaminants present in the sewage might be toxic for some already existing phytoplankton. In fact, in some species of fish, they found in Lake Ontario, furans, dioxins, dioxinide, PCBs, and many other chemicals can be found in the same fish because they digest that water. In fact, out of all the Great Lakes, Lake Ontario is actually the most polluted, which is our only source of drinking water in Toronto. Well, biggest. The only reason why the lake is still safe to go to is because of its size. It's the 14th largest lake in the world. In fact, in 2011, billions of liters of raw or partially treated sewage was dumped in Lake Ontario. This caused spikes of raw, partially treated sewage in the water, which causes drastic effects to ecosystem, reduced biodiversity, and increased levels of E. coli.
Oh wow. What about us?
Well, firstly, people who swim and bathe in the water have a high risk of getting illnesses and diseases because of the bacteria and viruses that are in the sewage water. Canada's beaches could be filled with sewage, causing the government to permanently shut down the beaches, resulting in less sewage. Also, sewage debris has one of the highest financial costs associated with its presence on our beaches because of the loss of tourism as well as blockage removal. Raw sewage flowing into Lake Ontario can lead to the water treatment cost rising. As well, sewage can degrade vegetation and soil by depositing harmful chemicals into soil, which would be harder to grow crops in. Actually, in Keating Channel, Don River spills into Toronto Harbor, also spilling sewage. This is what comes out of our taps, what we drink, what we bathe in, and what we swim in. And approximately 4.5 million humans depend on this water as well as wildlife around it. Well, after telling you this, there are so many things you can do to help make an impact. What can you do?
Well, I think that I can.
Oh, I'm sorry. I gotta go.
Okay. Anyways, after doing some research, here are some things that could really help decrease sewage. Well, it doesn't seem that Rubaina is going to come back to pick up this remote, so I might as well help someone else. Maybe someone like you.